Alright, welcome everybody. Today's video, we're going to take a tour of some of the best beaches here on Koh Tao, also known as Turtle Island. Koh Tao is just off the west coast of Thailand, west of Champon, and it's north of Koh Phangan and Koh Samui, some of the most popular and most famous beaches. Koh Tao is also pretty famous. Anyway, we're going to take a look at these, and I'm going to fly the drone, and so we're going to take a look at it from the air today. So I'll show you a little bit around the beaches, and let's go take a look. guys, that's going to finish up our video over here on Koh Tao. These are just some of the beaches that are here. I flew the drone and wanted to change things up a little bit, have a good time with that, so you can see what everything looks like from the air. Some of the sand was not as good as others, but all of them were pretty nice. I mean, these are good beaches. The two small ones, Freedom Beach, and the other one were pretty small, so you could kind of, you know, skip those if you wanted. And then there's another one on the other side of the island I didn't go to. So anyway, hopefully you enjoyed these. It was a good time. Koh Tao is a beautiful little island. Pretty easy to get to. Just have to take a ferry, about 2 hours worth of ferry to get over here to the island. So anyway, if you like the video, definitely make sure you smash the like button and subscribe if you're new here. This is what I do. I just go show you things that I see, tell you a little bit about what I know. So hopefully you enjoyed it. And if you did, leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. If you've been here, tell me that also. If you have a favorite beach or something I missed, let me know. And then maybe next time when I come down, I can check it out. And if you're new here, subscribe, and then you're notified when I post a new video. So from Koh Tao, remember guys, life is a journey. Until next time, enjoy.